Hi guys, welcome to another video. For those who are new here, welcome to my channel, and for those who are not new, welcome back. I know I've been missing for a while and I want to apologize for being absent. However, today I am going to be showing you what I made for dinner. I made stew peas using turkey neck and chicken foot. So stick along and I will show you how to make this dish. So here I have my turkey neck and chicken foot that was already pre-cleaned and washed with vinegar. So now I am just going to be seasoning this. I did add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. I also added half tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. I added 2 teaspoons of garlic powder and a teaspoon of ginger powder. And here are my ground seasonings that I will be adding in. I'm going to be adding in some garlic, onion, scallion and thyme, pimento seeds, and Scotch bonnet pepper. And once we add our seasonings, then I'm going to be mixing everything thoroughly. And we will be allowing this to marinate for at least an hour. If you have more time or you are preparing it ahead of time, you can allow it to marinate for longer than that or overnight. And here I added some more of my all-purpose seasoning and also about 2 teaspoons of my fish and meat sauce. And now I'm going to be adding in my meat to this pot. I'm going to be searing them a little bit because I'm going to be slow cooking my turkey neck and chicken foot. You can do this in the pressure cooker maybe for about 25 minutes, but I'm going to be slow cooking it because I also have the peas pressuring in the pressure cooker. So this will be going on for about an hour, and I'll just keep checking on it, maybe like in 15 minutes intervals or 20 minutes. Okay, so now I'm just going to be covering this for maybe about 5 minutes, and then once I check back on it, this is how it is looking before I added any liquid to it. So now I'm going to be adding about half cup of water, and I'm going to allow it to cook for the first 20 minutes. Okay, so this is how it was looking after about 45 minutes of cooking. So I did add 2 separate cups of water for each 20 minutes, and it was there for a little while before I added the peas. So my peas is almost fully cooked. Some of the peas are very soft, so I didn't have to pressure it anymore. So now I'm adding it in. And don't worry about the liquid, guys, because it needs to cook for another 25 to 30 minutes. All this liquid will go down. So now I'm adding in the scallion, onion and thyme, garlic and Scotch bonnet pepper along with the pimento seeds. And then I'm adding in spinners, which is just dumplings. I really love these in mine, so you will be seeing a lot of this going into the pot because these are my favorite. Normally once I do stew peas, I love to have more of the dumplings than rice in my plate, so that's why I always add a good amount. And if you're this long in the video, please ensure that you like, comment, subscribe, and also share my YouTube channel, and let's grow together. All right, so once I add everything, this is the stage guide where you can get a spoon and you can taste, do a taste test to see if you need more seasoning. I did add about a tablespoon of all-purpose and another teaspoon of chicken seasoning to this. Also, you can add your coconut milk here, but I like to cook it for at least 10 to 15 minutes first, and then I add a little bit of coconut milk once it's almost down to the texture that I want it to be. And here I was adding in some more thyme and garlic along with a scotch bonnet pepper. So I keep this pepper whole so it won't be too spicy. It's just going to take the flavor out of it. Because you cannot sleep on your ground seasoning, guys. A lot of flavor comes from the ground seasoning. So this is how we are looking. And I'm going to just leave this for 20 minutes. And this is how it was looking after about 20 to 25 minutes. I did add my coconut milk here now, and I'm just going to allow this to be on for maybe another 10 minutes. You see that all the water is going down, guys, so now it's getting thicker the way I like it. Now onto my rice. So I did add some jasmine rice here, and I'm just going to allow this to come to a boil, and then I'll turn it down to steam for at least 25 minutes. And this is how my rice was looking once it was all done. So I turned off the flames. It was shelly and perfect. And I'm also going to be turning off the flames on my stew peas because it was now to the consistency that I want it to be at. Then I'll be plating everything up. Guys, when I tell you this dish was so delicious, please give this recipe a try, and also remember to like the video, share the video, and subscribe. And I will be posting more consistently, so you can hit that notification button as well. Thank you guys so much for watching another video. Until next time, bye.